Symptoms of a bad oil pump. Your machine's need for oil is met by their oil pumps. Oil pumps are therefore essential for the lubrication and upkeep of numerous assets. Although hand lubrication is an option, machines that need lubrication while moving or in use require oil delivery systems with oil pumps. Oil pumps can malfunction if left unchecked, leading to the drying up of machine parts that require lubrication. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: the symptoms of a bad oil pump in your vehicle. Ignoring these signs can lead to some serious engine problems, so stay tuned and let's get right into it. 1. Increased engine temperature. As a result, if the engine temperature rises significantly, this indicates higher friction and heat buildup. The first line of defense against an oil pump malfunction-related rise in engine temperature is to turn off the engine. Although it entails halting operations, it's the only method to stop your machine from suffering additional harm. 2. Low oil pressure light. An oil pressure monitoring system is built into engines to keep track of the oil pressure while they are operating and to alert the driver if it is too low for the engine to operate at its best. You'll notice an old-fashioned oil can-shaped indication on your dashboard, which is typically in red color. Your engine needs oil, therefore you should safely pull over if this warning light appears on your dashboard. Before we uncover more of these crucial symptoms, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful automotive tips and tricks. It only takes a second, and it's a great way to stay in the know about maintaining your vehicle. Alright, let's continue. 3. Valve train noise. The engine can continue to run thanks to several crucial parts of the valve train system. Along with push rods, seals, and valve guides, the valve train also includes hydraulic lifters. All of these parts require oil to pass through them in order to be lubricated. 4. Noisy oil pump. Oil pumps that are operating properly are silent. Because the oil pump's gears are wearing out, a broken oil pump may make a whining noise. Before checking the oil pump gears, shut off the machine and lubrication system if you hear anything unwelcome or strange. 5. Noise in the hydraulic lifter. The hydraulic lifter is a crucial component of how engines' valve trains operate since it helps keep valve clearance. The hydraulic lifters require consistent and sufficient lubrication because of this vital function. There you have it, folks, the key symptoms of a bad oil pump. Remember, early detection and regular maintenance are crucial to keep your engine running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.